Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to learn 5 more idioms with their meaning and with some examples. We've already learned 20 idioms. Now we are going to learn 5 more. Let's see them one by one. At first, what is idioms? Idioms means it's a group of words, a collection of words. They are arranged in a fixed order and they are providing a particular meaning. Each words in the idiom provides a different meaning, but all the words together provides a different meaning. So we must learn the meaning of each idioms. Let's see them one by one. So first one, money doesn't grow on trees. Money doesn't grow on trees means money to be earned requires a lot of effort to work hard to earn money. So money doesn't grow on trees, idiom oda meaning. For earning money, we require a lot of hard work. So money earn பண்ணனும்னா we should work hard. Let's see some examples. I have been told over and over again as a child that money doesn't grow on trees. இந்த சென்டென்ஸோட மீனிங் நான் குழந்தையா இருந்தப்போ திரும்ப திரும்ப என்கிட்ட சொல்லப்பட்ட விஷயம் money doesn't grow on trees. You should listen to your parents and appreciate their hard work because they are right, money doesn't grow on trees. In the sentence oda meaning, we must that means you should listen to your parents. உங்களோட parents நீங்க கண்டிப்பா listen பண்ணணும் அவங்க சொல்றத, and we have to appreciate their hard work because they are right, money doesn't grow on trees. So money doesn't grow on trees idiom oda meaning that earning money requires a lot of hard work and effort. Next one, born with the silver spoon in mouth. Born with a silver spoon in mouth means to be born to parents who are rich and have a good social rank, someone who is born into privilege and wealth. So born with a silver spoon in mouth idiom oda meaning, by born they are very rich. ரொம்ப ரிச்சா by born அவங்க ரொம்ப ரிச்சா இருக்கிறவங்க. Let's see some examples. He has never worked hard for anything because he was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. His parents brought everything to him instead. இந்த சென்டென்ஸோட மீனிங், அவர் எப்பவுமே ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணது கிடையாது பிகாஸ் அவரோட பேரண்ட்ஸ் அவருக்கு எல்லாமே கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. He was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. So பிறக்கிறப்பயே ரொம்ப ரிச்சா பிறந்தவர். Next one. The students in this college are almost all born with silver spoons in their mouths. இந்த சென்டென்ஸோட மீனிங், இந்த காலேஜ்ல படிக்கிற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாருமே ரொம்ப ரிச்சான பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு பிறந்தவங்க. So born with a silver spoon in mouth idiom oda meaning, to be born to parents who are very rich and wealthy. Next one, to tie the knot. To tie the knot means to get married. To tie the knot idiom oda meaning, getting married. Let's see some examples. If you really think he is perfect for you, why don't you two plan to tie the knot soon? இந்த சென்டென்ஸோட மீனிங், நீங்க அவர் உங்களுக்கு perfect pair அப்படி if you think like that, then நீங்க ஏன் மேரேஜ் சீக்கிரமே மேரேஜ் பண்றதுக்கு பிளான் பண்ணக்கூடாது. The celebrity couple tie the knot in a gala ceremony amidst huge fanfare and press coverage. In the sentence oda meaning, the celebrity couples got married in a gala ceremony with huge fans. நிறைய fans இருந்தாங்க, press coverage இருந்துச்சு. அங்க வச்சு அவங்களோட மேரேஜ் நடந்தது. So to tie the knot, idiom ஓட meaning getting married. Next one, on top of the world. On top of the world means feeling wonderful, extremely happy. On top of the world, idiom ஓட meaning very very happy. Let's see some examples. She is on top of the world. இந்த sentence ஓட meaning அவ ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கிறா. Next one, you are sitting on top of the world when you enjoy success after success. இந்த sentence ஓட meaning நீ உனக்கு அடுத்தடுத்த வெற்றிகள் கிடைக்கிறப்ப நீ ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கிற. So on top of the world, idiom ஓட meaning extremely happy. Next one, my way or the highway. My way or the highway means used to say someone else has to agree with you or leave because you are not willing to discuss any other alternative. So my way or the highway idiom ஓட meaning ஒருத்தருடைய டிசிஷன்ஸ மஸ்ட் அக்ரி, கட்டாயமா அக்ரி பண்ணியே ஆகணும். Let's see some examples. I'm sorry that you don't like doing chores, but until you are independent and move out of the house, it's my way or the highway. இந்த sentence ஓட meaning, I know உனக்கு வீட்டு வேலைகள்லாம் செய்யறதுல இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இல்ல, பட் நீ இண்டிபெண்டன்ட் ஆகி இந்த வீட்டை விட்டு வெளியில போற வரைக்கும் you must obey my rules. Next one, right now it's her way or the highway, but she's just 2 years old and will learn to share when she gets older. இந்த sentence ஓட meaning, இப்போ அவளுக்கு 2 years தான் ஆகுது, இப்போ அவ சொல்றதுதான், அவ சொல்ற மாதிரி தான் எல்லாருமே கேட்கணும். But when she is getting older, she will learn to share with others. அவ பெரியவள் ஆகுறப்போ she will learn to share. So my way or the highway idiom ஓட meaning has to agree with others' decision. So today we've learned 5 more idioms. Money doesn't grow on trees, born with a silver spoon in mouth, to tie the knot, on top of the world, my way or the highway. So totally we've learned 25 idioms with their meaning with some examples. If you find this one is useful, do subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Thank you.